will create new project. Profinet drive. Right. Okay, we'll add our PLC. At first the rack, and then your CPU. So we will be using 319-3. So you will create new network. You will add new network. Okay. So this is for Profibus. No need. Your network or Profinet. Now you will add your drive, the G120C drive. So you will find it here in Profinet IO, in drives, in Sinamics. Then we'll be choosing our version 4.7. Okay, it will be added here. And then first thing you need to do is to assign an address. So I will assign it to, we'll click OK. Also, the important thing to consider is the device name. So for example, I will be putting it Charlie. Okay, click OK. Save and compile. Okay, the other things need to consider is the telegram used. So I will be using standard telegram, which is double word. So here, you can select other things, but I will be selecting this one. So you have two words. First word will be your control word, and the second word will be the speed reference. So for more info, download the Siemens field buses, this one, so you can see what are those words that I'm talking about. So this is the first word, which is the control word. So each bit have its own purposes. So once you're turning on one of these bits, it will generate hex value. So we will discuss it later on. Okay, now hardware class finish, already configured. Need to save and compile, and then proceed to the drive configuration. Now we are not yet finished. We need to go to commissioning. Once you open it, you need to configure the drive unit. By clicking it, it will show what drive you are using, the type. Now we are using this drive, 1.1 kilowatt. Okay, just click next and then click finish. So it will add here. And this, you can see all the parameter lists. You can change the parameter based on your requirements. Okay, now I will download this. How to download this? So we just go online, but first you need to set PGPC interface, or you can check if what is the accessible nodes that was being connected here. You see, we have here he's seen one drive which having a default address of 0.0.0.0, no? So that is his default. So in order to change that, you can cancel it. Just cancel this. There are two procedures. You can change by here, or you can change by Proneta. So first, I will change from here. I will just click this one. Go to interface. Go to accessible nodes. Then you will scan what are the accessible nodes. It will take time to scan. Okay, see, now he's seen one Sinamics G120C. You can change it by right click, edit Ethernet nodes. You can assign the address 192.168.0. So check again your hardware. It should be the same. So by clicking it, you can see the address 2. So last will be 2. Default 255.255.5.0. Then click assign IP configuration. Okay, now the parameters has been transferred successfully. Okay, now you will, this is also the important, you need to assign the name DC2 point, I'm putting Charlie, no, for the name, same, should be the same. Okay,
this is same as configure.
Then you need to click assign name. Okay, now it's assigned. You need to click close, kalas. If you update this, then it will show the name that you changed and the IP address. So I will just cancel this and then we'll proceed to download. Okay, so now I am using the Ethernet. I will change this into USB so it will be easy for us. So I will change to starter USB. Okay, then PGPC. Okay, this is correct. USB. Okay, I will just click this directly and then go online. Then select, click OK. Then it will prompt you to download to target device. You just click download. Okay, click this. Yes. We are not still finished with this. We need to go to commissioning mode, in which you will configure the parameters for the motors, the current, the speed reference, and whatsoever. So I'll just download the basic. Okay, now it's successfully downloaded. Then you need to close. Okay, we'll do the important part, which is the wizard. Here you will parameterize the drive and the motor specification. You just click this normally, then this one should be 7 so that it will communicate with field bus, and click next. Okay, supply voltage we have 400. Motor type, it's an induction, no? need to click yes. Next. Sorry, next. Then the current, motor current, you can change here the power, RPM. It's up to the motor you are using now. Then click next. Frequency, we are using 60 Hertz. Okay, click next. Okay, the current limit, so you need to check your nameplate for your motor, then just change it here. Click next. This one important. Okay, identifying, just click next. Then click copy RAM to room. Okay, then finish. So while we are downloading this, then we can create the program for our drive. So for example, I will just putting it in OB. It's up to you. You will create another blocks for your drive, no issue. So this is for starting the drive. So I will create one memory, then move command, so it will be a word, hex value. You will throw hex value to the first word, which is the control word. So start command will be 47F. So PQW256. Where did I get this PQW256? So it's here, 256 in this telegram. Start. Okay. So this is for stop. Stopping the motor. So just copy this. So change the address and 0.1 stop. So this one for, okay, change the hex value into E. So how did I get these values? So by reading this, you will understand what are the meaning of those. Then I will for reset M0.2. This is for reset of any alarm. So the code will be 4FE. 4FE. Okay. Then this one for reverse. So if you want to make the motor reverse, there will be also a hex code value. So reset. Sorry, the reverse. Reverse. So reverse value will be C7F. So C7F, last thing is the speed reference. So speed reference will be the last word. So you will be moving an integer value. For example, I will just assign MW10 to second word, which is 258. So now your program is finished. We'll download this. Save. Okay. Download. Yes. Okay, finish. Now let's see online if all devices was connected. See, now it's working. Okay, finish. Everything is okay. Now this one in online. For example, I will go online. See, now it's ready. So your drive is ready to run. So let's see. Let's go online. Okay, let's remove the reset. Stop. Make sure the motor will be in stop. And then we'll give frequency to the drive. Okay. Okay. This. Okay. You need to configure the drive first.